What did I say yesterday? Look, cheeky blue. Cheeky blue. We have been blessed with the cheeky blue. Righty, it is Thursday. So today, Cam, my man, is going to be pointing this wall all the way down. I'm going to be cracking on with this monstrosity of a seat. It will turn out beautiful, but at the minute it isn't looking very good. It's going to take some more down, get the corners up slowly and just, yeah, work like that basically. Going to crack on with this one as well, which Cam is cracking on with now. Cam's in the house. Thursday dance. So once he's pointed this, like I say, jump on that one down there, and then we're going to crack on with the tops on this little section. But because it's a higher wall and we're going to be a bit low on bigger stone, we can use sort of smaller stuff on there because you're not actually going to sort of visibly see the top of the wall. It's just a good way of sort of doing it because, well, it's the only way we can really do it without obviously getting more tops in. So yes, today I just want to concentrate on this bench, get it done, and yeah, just get some sort of shape. We've obviously got the seating area in, so just want to concentrate on getting the base in. Need to take that bit down. It is a bit fiddly. We really should have just cracked on and ripped the whole thing out, but it is one of them. Things change in life, but look at that, eh? Hopefully it stays like that all day and we can get some boss mode building done, baby. Anyway, let's crack on. Start clearing stuff up, mate.
Like tools?
Yeah, to get everything clear. Just trying to get this pile sorted out before I get any more over. There's loads of good stuff here. There's good stuff to make here. You know what I mean? Get a pile ready for tomorrow. Pile ready for tomorrow. Do you know what? I've never noticed a wall with so many sausages. Do you know what I mean? Like sausages in the wall.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh, come on. Beauty's here when you dig around. Is it coming up all right?
What, the pointing?
Or like, yeah, drying off all right?
Yeah, no, that one's finally a bit wetter. So it's coming up fine. Same colour, that's good. Obviously.
Hopefully, Cam.
Come on, mate, it's my lick, you know what I mean?
You are the pointing king.
I know what I'm doing.
He knows what he's doing.
When it comes to my line.
This stone stinks. Do you know what I mean? The smell of a million years.
Oh, you're slow one friend's back.
Slow worm friend.
Yeah.
The slow worm, right?
Don't know. He's got like a proper little tongue, mate.
They do have tongues. Just be gentle, like, just let him go onto it. Where's put my trowel away? Put the trowel. Let him come onto it, you know what I mean? Don't actually put any pressure on him. Beautiful thing. I think they're absolutely lovely.
I know, they are nice.
Just take him up that wall.
Where did you put them, mate? Did you put them in the wall?
Lovely jubilee. Thursday squashed. Love it. Cam has pointed up the lower walls. So this one and that one down there. I've absolutely boss moded the back of the seat. Just trying to use up all the stone this side. But no, it's turned out quite well. Yeah, I'm actually quite happy with that really. Like I say, big old chunk up. Trying to use up all this stone here. So tomorrow we've got patting as well. So I'm going to carrying on with this seat. Cam is going to crack on with that higher wall section there. Needs a top on it and the pillar and that. So you can crack on with that. Look at that little wall now, eh? That's looking lovely. Absolutely lovely. Love it. And yeah, like I say, I'll crack on with this and then Pat's coming in as well. So Pat can crack on. Yeah, it's all going good really. Like I say, just spent a bit of time now just dressing up some of the rougher bits of stone. Just for tomorrow, I've got a good pile and I can absolutely just smash it in. And yeah, so it's all going well. All going well. Anyway, let's pack up my tools and head to the van.